This is Eric from Pack Hacker, and this video we're going to check out the Thule Clean Dirty Packing Cube, which I've been testing for the past 2 weeks. Let's dive in. If this looks very familiar, you're probably not wrong, because it is pretty much the same packing cube as one of our favorite packing cubes at Pack Hacker, which is the Thule packing cubes. This is just a clean, dirty variant of that same packing cube. So a lot of the same materials, look, hardware, and everything. So we'll dive right into it. But this is a different colorway. We normally have the white version. This is a green colorway. So as you can probably see, we've got some ripstop texture going on. This is 100D ripstop nylon. So a very durable material for a packing cube. Sometimes you see packing cubes like 40D, sometimes even less than that material. So it is a bit thicker than we're used to seeing from other packing cubes, but it's still not heavy. Like, I always get into these, I don't want to say arguments, but it's like, okay, maybe this is like twice the denier that some packing cubes are, even some of our favorite packing cubes are, but when you do the actual calculation of how much weight you're saving, it's not a ton. So if you want something a little more durable and capable, you're not adding a ton of weight. Maybe by percentage you are, but by actual weight, you're not adding a ton of weight. So get something a little heavier. It's not going to be the end of the world, at least in my opinion. Sorry, struggling over my words there. So this is a Blue Sign approved material as well, so that means it is more sustainable. We have a little tag there to prove it. So that's a nice little add a peace of mind for travelers who worry about that kind of thing. So YKK zippers, very easy to open and close even when this thing is fully packed out. I love their compression cube and same zippers. This obviously does not compress because it is a clean dirty, so there's no compression to it. But obviously zippers are going to compress pretty much every time anyways, as long as there's enough gear inside of there. So these zippers have held up very well, no issues with opening and closing them. They just get the job done. And obviously we have 2 different zipper colors, so that means you can kind of assign in your head, okay, which one of these is clean and which one of these is dirty. You can also have like a front side with the logo here, which is kind of a big beefy logo, but I don't know, it's in my bag most of the time. I don't mind so much. And then obviously the side with the Blue Sign little tag and no logo. So you kind of have a couple ways to determine what's going to be clean and what's going to be dirty. So we have a handle here on the top so you can grab it out of your bag, or if you're stowing it inside of a cupboard or something like that, you can just stow it in there and grab it out when you need to. No other handles on the bag, just pretty minimalistic overall, but this is a packing cube, so that's probably kind of what you expected. One thing to note about these packing cubes as well, something that adds a little bit of weight, but also adds a little bit of structure, is there is like a runner that goes around the outside, like with the zip, like it's really hard to show you. Maybe when I get this stuff out of it, I can show you better, but it's like a piece of hard plastic there, which adds a bit of structure, makes these a little bit easier to fill when they are empty, but again, it is going to add weight and make them a little tiny bit less packable, but in the grand scheme of things, unless you're a super ultralight packer, it's not going to matter so much. So very happy with the durability of these things, and we can vouch for the materials and the hardware because we've been using their other version of these for over a year. If you're enjoying this, please throw a like on the video, drop a comment down below about where you would take this packing cube, and subscribe to the channel so we can continue making content like this to help you travel smarter. So now we're going to dive inside, and right now I just have, essentially I've got this packed like I'm about to take these on a trip. All of this stuff is clean, and then I'm going to show you kind of how you would use it if you were actively using this packing cube in dirtying clothes. So I'm going to open up this front side here. As you can see, I have mostly bottoms in here, so pants and shorts. So let's say on the first day of the trip, I wore these shorts and I got them dirty. I did something to where I can't wear them again and they're dirty. So as you can see on the bottom, there is a divider here. So this is a clear like TPU divider, and that clear TPU is not going to hold any smell because it is like a plastic, and plastics generally don't hold smell, at least this kind of plastic doesn't, some plastics will. So I got these super dirty, I spilled ice cream on them and I'm like, oh no, they're dirty. I don't know how, and I'm going to my next location. I don't have a way to separate my cleans and my dirties. So I'm flipping over to the other side here, popping open this, and now I have a different side where I can put my dirty clothes. Here's my ice cream shorts are going inside of here, and then I'm going to close it up, and now I have, this is my dirty side and this is my clean side. And you kind of just keep doing that as your trip goes on. Obviously, depending on the length of your trip, this might not be enough for your trip. So if you have one of these and a few other packing cubes, you get to an awkward point where you're like, well, I have too many clean clothes, and then it's like an awkward of like in the middle of half clean, half dirty, and there's not enough room in the dirty section for all of the dirties you have because you had this side of clean clothes and then you had 2 other packing cubes. So you just kind of have to find something that works for you. You could obviously just get 2 of these and just mix and match with what you have, or maybe you already have a clean dirty cube. The opportunities are endless with packing cubes. We have a ton of reviews on our site and on our YouTube. So just go wild with it. But eventually you are going to completely done with the clean side, and everything is going to move over to the dirty side. So basically, as you can see, you can only see the clear TPU thing inside of here right now. There is a little bit of extra material here, so that means that it's not a split down the middle. So when you start your trip, let me go back to this other side and pretend like I started on the other side. That piece of plastic TPU is just going to compress down into the bottom, and it's not wasting space. It is wasting a little bit of space because that TPU is there and there's going to be folds in the materials, et cetera, but it's wasting a lot less space than if it was just like a flat piece of material. So if I put this stuff, well, I guess it's all dirty now because it's not rolled up as neatly, but I'll put all of this in this side and then go back over to that side, and you'll kind of see what I am talking about here, how this is pushing up into this space. So it's not like when you have one side completely packed out, there's just like a layer of air. There's going to be a little bit because of, obviously you have this material and the folds and stuff like that, but it's a good design. I like it. I don't normally love clean, dirty cubes, but I think my love of this cube has kind of opened me more to the idea of a clean, dirty cube, because this is a version of my admitted favorite packing cube. So very happy with how this operates, and just the materials and the workmanship from Thule just really shine through. I do like the white colorway a little bit better, but this green is nice, especially if you have like a black backpack or maybe a green backpack or something like that. So very happy with how this is operated, but I'm curious how you guys would use this and whether or not it's as good as I think it is. So there you have it, the Thule Clean Dirty Packing Cube. Thanks for keeping it here at Pack Hacker, your guide to smarter travel. We'll see you in the next one.